Children, today we are going to go on a visit to a very interesting place. An interesting place which is favorite of lot of people. Yes, it is a shopping mall. But before that, we will look at the learning objectives and the resources for this activity. The learning objectives are to identify a shopping mall, to recognize things found in a shopping mall, to develop vocabulary, to develop cognitive skills, and to introduce to food court. And the resources that are needed for the activity are flashcards and related aids. Introduction to shopping mall. Children, can you tell me what you can see in this picture? This is a mall. Have you ever been to a mall, children? Tell me, what do we see in a mall? Can you tell me what do we buy in a mall? Well, children, a shopping mall is a large complex with a variety of stores and lot of different kinds of restaurants. It is a shopping center which is larger than a building. Also, a shopping mall is a social gathering for a lot of people. There are a lot of entertainment zones available for people to have entertainment. Lot of performances are performed in the shopping mall. And also a lot of company people have their product launches or promotions of their new product at the shopping mall. And this is because when people come for shopping in the shopping mall, they can visit these new products or the new promotions of a new product which is being present at the mall, and if it is liked by those people, then they can buy those new products. Alright. Also, children, lot of other benefits are there of a shopping mall. For example, they have their own parking facility. So when you visit a shopping mall, you don't have to look for a parking place to park your vehicle. You can straight away go inside the shopping mall and park your vehicle in the parking facility which is provided by the shopping mall people. Alright. Also, there are wide variety of products which are available for you to shop. So you don't have to worry about the less variety of products which are available, because there are wide variety of products available. So people have lot of options to select from what they have to purchase. Now, can you tell me your favorite place in the shopping mall? I know, it is the gaming zone. Yes, lot of people's favorite place in the shopping mall is the gaming zone area. There are lot of games and entertainment things available in the gaming zone area. So people go visit those gaming zones and have lot of entertainments. Also, there are movie theaters in the shopping malls. Lot of people visit the movie theaters, watch the movie, and then what do? Well, they have the food courts in the mall as well. So once the movie is over, people come to the food courts and enjoy their yummy food at the food court. Isn't this all fun? Yes. But do you know, there is a difference between a shopping mall and a market or a bazaar. And what is the difference? Well, shopping malls have recreational attractions and they have modern facilities for people who visit the place for shopping. So modern facilities like gaming zones, food courts with various yummy food, movie theaters, also parking facilities of their own. So all these facilities are very beneficial for a shopping mall. But a street market or bazaar are different than this. They do not provide all these modern amenities or modern facilities to their customers. But still, a shopping mall has its own benefits, and some people enjoy shopping at the shopping malls, but lot of people also enjoy shopping at the bazaars or the markets. Talking about the food court in a mall. Children, till now we saw the things we see at a mall, the various counters or departments we see at a mall, and also the entertainment zones or the entertainment places which we can visit and entertain ourselves, right? Now, can you tell me which place is this in a mall? Yes, it is the food court. And it is a very favorite place of lot of people, right? This is the place where we go for eating food. The yummy and variety of food which is provided by lot of different kind of vendors or different kind of people throughout the world, right? Children, there are many food vendors which serve us delicious food at the food court in the mall, right? Tell me, have you gone to a mall to have food ever? What kind of food have you eaten there? And what all shops were there of different kind of food? Well, there are really lot of varieties which are available in terms of food in the food court. You can have sizzlers, you can have some healthy and very yummy sandwiches, you can have ice creams, you can have Chinese food, you can have some Mediterranean food, you can have some Indian yummy food, you can have some milkshakes, lots and lots of varieties, children. My favorite is the wonderful Subway, which provides so many yummy and fresh vegetables and a very tasty and yummy toasted bread. Now you have to tell me which is your favorite food at the food court. Can you tell me which food do you eat in the mall when you visit the food court? Well, try to remember that and tell me when we see each other next time, okay? I hope you had fun visiting the shopping mall and the food court with me today. But remember, children, when we go to a shopping mall for shopping, we have to remember lot of safety rules. All right? Thank you.